Hey Sergey, my name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay with me. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. And the first thing I want to go over is content. As I see here is not doesn't have any content at all. You need to have at least 1500 or 2000 words on your homepage because Google loves content, and if you put more pictures it will be nicer, but make sure they are saved in correct way with the correct keywords. So the second thing I want to cover is the citation. So if I put electricians NYC, first we see these Google guaranteed ads, then we see these ads, normal ads, but a lot of people already tired to see ads, so it's a 50-50. Some of them already have ad blockers and they don't see it at all. So and then we can see this map back here on the Google. So basically you want to be here because people, the statistics showing the 75% of people, they all checking on the first page, they're not going to second page or third page. So, and what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone number are listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their, that would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank here in this map, here you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they are currently being listed in, and you want to try to go out and then get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop on whatever your competition has want to get, what they have, and then you want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. And now we already covered content and citation. The last thing I want to cover is backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. You can see like Yelp, expertise, home advisors. So there are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks works is, all it means is that there is a website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, backlink from ice cream shop, and they're all about ice cream and ice cream stuff, it's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another electrician company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. What's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So look into one of these my tools that's called Ahrefs, and it's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google. And so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. We can see you only have 2 referral domains that give you 2 backlinks, and out of those you only have 3 keywords and 0 traffic. So for you to understand what I'm talking about, let's see somebody who's like organically on the first page. This guy, Apollo NYC, one of your competitor, and see what he has. 47 referring domains that gives him 381 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 414 keywords. That brings him almost 600 people average on his site each month. And if we check his keywords, what he's ranking for, we can see the first one is his name, and the second one is electricians in my area. You see 2,000 people are searching that, and 70 people going to his website. Electrical NYC, 150 people searching that, and 46 people going to his website. So you want to put all of these keywords to your website in your content. And to boost all of these numbers, it's actually doable, and we specialize on that. So Sergey, that's pretty much it. That's all I had, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give me a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy the free tips I've given today. I will be in touch with you to get feedback on this video. Thanks again and have a great day.